Put the wires through the base. Add the earth wire. Add the washers and secure tightly. Now the arm and the base is attached. Take the plate bracket and put into the wall using wall plugs and screws provided. Prepare the plate bracket by putting the sharp, thinner screw through the bracket into the wall plug. Before putting the base onto the wall, put the flat, thicker screw the opposite way round. Once all the screws are fitted in the bracket, you can now fix it onto the wall. Now that the bracket is fixed onto the wall, add the base and screw the black caps onto the ends of the fat screw to hide the metal look from the front. Now the base and arm is both fixed to the wall. Put shade onto the arm and screw the ring to secure the shade tightly. Your wall light is now ready for your bulb.